Hey everyone, it's Andrew from Bullion Now. In today's video, we're going to be doing some technical analysis looking at the price of gold, starting off with gold on the weekly time frame. Basically, we're looking for gold to set in a weekly high here. Nothing's obviously set in stone at the moment, but if that were to be the case, and this were to set in a weekly swing low here, targets to the upside we're looking for is that $17.50 area. Pushing up if we can get through that to 1770, 1775-ish, and if it can take out the top at 1800, then I'd be looking for a full continuation up to this purple box area at around the $1,860 area. Now, I also want to have a look at the NASDAQ. And the NASDAQ to me looks like it has a bit more to give to the downside. So if I was going to put gold over the NASDAQ to compare the two, this looks like continuation for me, and it looks like it wants to head up to about that spot 16 area. So the most plausible outcome of these two compared to each other would be for the NASDAQ to continue to sell off, but gold to sort of chop around and try and find its weekly swing low and maybe potentially come a bit lower. But definitely the NASDAQ to continue coming down lower and gold to sell off a lot less, which would give gold the continuation against the NASDAQ. Now, also looking at, I want to have a touch on the DXY, the dollar index, and on the RSI here, if we can confirm this as a top here, we would have two drives of weekly bearish divergence. Now, I want to have a look at the daily. I'm looking for this area here at 107.50. To break down, if we can confirm this as a top and break down through this level here, this would give me confidence that gold would come down, gold would continue upwards and set in a swing low position and get that move to the upside. However, if we have a quick look at the macro sort of outlook for gold on a monthly time frame, if gold wasn't to set in a low here and head further down, well, targets are looking a little bit messy for gold and not the best outlook for it over the next probably longer period time frame there. But definitely if this fails to put in a swing low position here, then gold could get very ugly down to this sort of $1,600 area and even down further to $1,500.25. But that's all well and far away. Okay, so that's my take on the price of gold and where I think it's heading. Let me know where you guys think it's heading in the comments down below. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.